If you want a faster WordPress website without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to dramatically boost your page speed and ultimately your Google Insights score, all using free tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to squeeze every ounce of speed out of WordPress, which means happier visitors, better SEO, even improved conversions. Let's get right into it. First up, image optimization. This one's huge. Did you know that images can make up anywhere from 50 to even 70% of your page's total weight? That means, if you only tackle how your images are loaded, you're already fighting half the speed battle. To start, convert any old-school JPEG or PNG images into next-gen formats like WebP or even AVIF. These newer formats can make your file sizes up to 34% smaller, all while keeping images looking sharp. You don't have to be a graphic designer to do this. Just use a free plugin like Smush or EWWW Image Optimizer and let them handle the conversions automatically. Seriously, this is set-it-and-forget-it stuff. Beyond shrinking your image sizes, you want to pay attention to lazy loading. Think of it like this. Instead of lugging your entire suitcase at once, you only unpack clothes when you need them. Lazy loading means images on your site only load as a visitor scrolls down to see them, saving both bandwidth and loading time, especially on image-heavy pages. WordPress actually does this natively now, but if you want really advanced control, the 3 Lazy Load plugin gives you even more flexibility without costing a cent. So don't worry if you have tons of galleries or photos, a few clicks and you're set. Up next is caching and minification. Caching is like handing out printed flyers instead of reciting your speech every time someone asks. Your server does less work, so your site loads faster. If your web host uses Lightspeed servers, definitely grab the free Lightspeed Cache plugin. It's basically an all-in-one toolkit for caching, image optimization, even code minification. If you're on standard hosting, WP Super Cache is a super reliable alternative developed by Automatic themselves. For bonus points, let's talk minification. Your site's CSS, JavaScript, and HTML often carry a bunch of white space. Stuff computers don't need to read the file, but it still slows things down. Plugins like Autoptimize will strip all that unnecessary baggage, making the files as light as possible. The result? Your pages load snappier, especially for repeat visitors. Now let's manage your critical code and external requests. Sometimes, JavaScript and CSS files can block your page from loading quickly. Imagine waiting for someone to finish unpacking before you can even enter a room. To fix this, defer non-essential scripts and use plugins like Asset Cleanup. For instance, you don't need your contact form script loading on your blog posts, right? Asset Cleanup lets you turn off that script on pages where it's not needed, streamlining your site. While you're at it, keep external requests in check. Every ad, analytics tag, or social widget is one more thing clogging the pipe. Try to limit these where you can, especially the ones you don't really need. Last but not least, server and core maintenance. Keeping your site's engine tuned matters more than you might think. First, make sure your hosting is running at least PHP version 8.3 or higher. It's way faster and more secure than old versions. A quick message to your host or a quick check in your hosting panel will tell you where you stand. Next, make use of Cloudflare's free tier. Not only do you get a global CDN, but you also get built-in DDoS protection and Brotli compression, all of which mean faster delivery of your content worldwide. Finally, don't neglect database cleanup. Over time, WordPress picks up a lot of digital dust, old post revisions, spam comments, little fragments called transients. Use WP Optimize to schedule cleanups and keep your database lean and mean, which in turn keeps your whole site zippy. So if you follow these steps, you're not just chasing higher scores, you're delivering a true lightning-fast experience to your visitors, absolutely free. If you found this walkthrough helpful, tap the like button. If any part was confusing or you have questions about your specific setup, drop a comment below, I do read them. And if you want more actionable WordPress guides like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and wishing you a blazing fast website journey.